with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cold pasta. Perfect for this hot weather. Easy to prepare, and I know you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are our few ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of corn, half a red onion, 2 scallions, 1 carrot, 3 slices of thick ham, and of course 2 cups of pasta of your choice. And now I am ready to start making this amazing cold pasta at home. So first we are going to start with the pasta. This is what takes much longer to cook. So I have boiling water. To this water I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is so that pasta doesn't stick to each other. And now I'm ready to add my 2 cups of pasta. Once you add it, just mix it really good so the pasta doesn't stick and it starts cooking. The best way to cook pasta is having your water already boiling. Add your pasta, mix it a little bit, and then just cook it as directed in the package. Remember, you want this pasta to still be al dente. Please don't overcook your pasta. You really want to enjoy this cold pasta without pulling apart or overcooking it. Once this is done, I am ready to put it through a sifter, remove all the water. And of course, once you do that, mix it so that all the water comes out of the pasta. This part is very important. You don't want a soggy pasta, cold pasta. You really want to enjoy this cold pasta with any kind of meat, chicken, shrimp, beef, you decide. But this is the way I make it at home. I'm going to let it rest and come to room temperature while I continue making the rest of the ingredients, adding all these ingredients into this plate. I have the sour cream. I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Very easy salad, let me tell you. Once you make it, you're really going to enjoy making it and enjoying it with your beautiful family. I'm adding 1 cup of corn. And of course, to this, I am going to add the spices, which is black pepper, salt to taste, and garlic powder. I'm going to add it in here. I am going to continue with my thick slices of ham. Of course, you decide what ham you want to add to your amazing cold pasta. Remember, the ham has to be nice and thick so it doesn't break apart when you're mixing it with your pasta. And I am cubing it. Look at this. I'm going to show you how the pieces are and how thick it is. Let me tell you, I really enjoy this pasta with my family. I make it year round. And here I have my carrot. I'm taking all the skin off, being nice and careful. And once this is done, I am going to shred it. Yes, you really want to see those pieces of the carrot inside this amazing cold pasta. I have my scallions here. I am only going to use the green part. The other part I am going to reserve for another recipe. Let me remove this, and now I am ready to just slice away nice and thin to give that amazing flavor, aroma, and color to this amazing cold pasta. Now I'm going to put it aside and I am going to continue with my red onion. The red onion I am going to cut in very small little pieces, just like that, making sure that everything always incorporates and that they're all, almost all the same size. And now let me show you. I am only missing the pasta. The pasta have come to room temperature. So I am ready to add the pasta. And let me show you all those amazing colors in this amazing pasta salad. Look at this. You have your red onion, your pasta, your carrot, your ham cubed, your scallion, corn, sour cream, mayonnaise, and your spices. And now we are ready to incorporate everything, cover everything with the sour cream, the mayonnaise, and the spices. Look at this. This just looks amazing. And like I always say, when you make it at home, you give it that special ingredient. The special ingredient, it's love, because you make it for your loved ones and you know exactly what they love to eat. And this pasta is perfect for grilled chicken, for carne asada, a side dish for tacos, you name it. Well, here, let me show you how everything is covered with the sour cream, the mayonnaise. I am ready to taste it. I am ready to enjoy. And I hope that you enjoy it too. Like, subscribe, and share, and be part of my family. Look at this. I am going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour, and then I am ready to enjoy it. This salad, pasta salad, it's even more delicious when it's nice and cold. And once this is done, after 1 hour, then I am ready to plate it for the presentation. Look at this, nice and cold. And this is the plate I am going to use for the presentation. I hope, my friends, you like it, you love it, and you make it. And you enjoy what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. I am ready to taste, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Look at this. Your mouth is watering. Make it. Enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. With this cold pasta, perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course I want to get a little bit of everything. Excuse me. So delicious. Remember, this pasta, it's delicious and refreshing, and when it's nice and cold, even more amazing. I am sure you're going to love it, so make it at home and enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. Excuse me. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing cold pasta. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.